Jesus, may we walk into this brand new day sure of your love for us. With our minds, help us to understand that everything we learn about the world can reveal more and more of who you are. With our hearts, let us give your love to others around us. With our hands, let us build up our friendships with kindness and grace.
For we belong to you, for we make you smile, for we are your beloved.
With our mouths, let us not use our words to tear down or to wound. May our words speak life and put band-aids on broken hearts.
For we belong to you, we make you smile, we are your beloved.
With our ears, help us listen for ways we can show your love to others, and listen for ways you are showing us that we are loved.
For we belong to you, we make you smile, we are your beloved.
With our eyes, help us to watch for those who feel alone or left out, so that we might invite them in, because Jesus sits and eats and plays with everyone.
For we belong to you, for we make you smile, for we are your beloved.
Let us be kind in your name. Let us work hard in your name. Let us laugh loud in your name. Let us run fast, read stories, study history, explore the 100-acre wood, solve equations, and paint pictures in your name. Make us bringers of peace, of joy, of light. May we be sharers of hope, of love, of you.
For we belong to you, we make you smile, we are your beloved.